Hi there, this is David Detman for socialmediaforsmallbusiness.com.au and for our training site LearnWordpress.biz. Okay, have you ever wanted to add audio to your site? This is a very good WordPress plugin. It's a free one where you can add audio. Now I'm just going to show you one of our pages. If I go to our home page, we actually have this set to run on auto. Okay, as this is a sales page. Now this audio may have changed since then. It's due to be changed. As the page loads up, the audio will load up.
Hi there, this is David Detman for socialmediaforsmallbusiness.com.au. We're on the registration page right now and I'd like to welcome you.
Okay, so I'm going to mute the audio. Now that was an auto one. Okay, I hope it came out alright. I hope the sound wasn't, the speakers are up very loud, so I hope the sound didn't blast you. Okay, now we're using this, like I say, on our main site. Now once I've installed the plugins, and you would have seen me install plugins as we go, it will be under settings. Okay, now all you need to do is set up an actual audio file. So on your computer, just use your audio player, and then once you've done that, okay, you add it to your media center just like you would a picture. Okay, so just go add new and add it. Okay, so as I've prepared before, as this is a site, this is not a training site, this is actually our site. You can see we have these files here. Okay, if I go edit, it'll just show the file details. Okay, so see how I've got the URL. So once you've put it in your media file, just grab the URL. Okay, what I've called it. Okay, I might just change this to, should have David Detman welcome. Okay, now you can put a description on that if you want, but if you're adding a new file, you'd be doing this process. Alright, now how do you get it on your pages? Well, this is very simple. All you need to do is, let's just pick this one, is preview and embed, or I always call it embed. Okay, now this is the code.
Hello, this is David Detman for.
Okay, which you need. You add that to your page. However, if you want to begin with an automatic play like you saw, see how it's changed the code. Alright, or you might want to, say you got someone going through your pages and you want the message to keep playing, you can actually pick that. Okay, if you're using a playlist, say you had a music website, you can create this random, repeat the playlist when it ends and so forth. Okay, and you can change the volume setting as well. The standard is 50%. Okay, so you grab your code, alright, and just close the window. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a page. So I'm going to go to all pages. And even though I've grabbed the code to put in a page, I'm going to show you an existing one which I'll put on a page, and I'll put it where I want it on the page, not just down the bottom. So if we go to our shop, find the store, okay, it might be on the second page. Okay, because in our store we decided after doing test runs, which we were no longer going to run it on an audio one, an auto one. So if I go to edit on my store, you see how I've got the audio message here. Alright, I've decided to put it there. Alright, in that particular spot. It's got the audio number. So you would, for instance, put it there. Okay, But as we don't want to change our audio naturally, leave it like that. Now, if we go to the product store itself, so go back to the site. Now remember, this one's not on an automatic run. Okay, here it is here. Alright, so it won't load up unless someone presses on it. And you can see under the here, I've just put a little slight hint. Click above to play the audio. So, here we go.
Hi, this is David Detman for socialmediaforsmallbusiness.com.au, and I'd like to welcome you to our shop. In this
Okay, so you get the idea. Just keep in mind my speakers are up fairly loud at the moment. So you can put it on any page. Now you can use the same code on different pages if you're doing a playlist, or you can have individual ones. It's just another great chart to use on a website. Get people interacting with you. Now, be very careful. One of the things we did was, with our affiliates, we actually got them to go through and critique our site, and one of the things they didn't like was automatic play. Now, we use the automatic play on sales pages, okay, to get people's attentions, but we don't, even though we have a lot of audio files and video files, we like to, on most pages, after having people critique the site, just have it on a single play where people have to push the button. So that's just a little tip which I found. I got a bit carried away when I was doing the audios, having them running on autopilot, and people would keep coming back to the same pages and get sick of them. So if you have them just set so people can play them, that's great. It all depends on what you're doing, of course. So I hope this plugin is value. Once again, it is free. It's fairly simple to use. Once you get that code worked out, it's very simple. You just go and put it on whatever page you want. So this has been David Detman for socialmediaforsmallbusiness.com.au. Come and check out our store, of course, and come and get a gold membership for the best value on all our different training. And also for the training site which you're on at the moment, which is LearnWordpress.biz. See you in the next video.